Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this cracker with just few ingredients. So guys, let's get started. In a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add half teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, or you can add it according to your taste. Mix it together until the ingredient is well combined. Add half cup of water and mix thoroughly. If you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button. And also, the measurements will be in the description box. And if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. Then, gradually add the remaining quarter cup until a soft dough forms. I didn't use the entire quarter cup. I stopped when the dough reached the right consistency. So mix it together until a dough forms. After that, I sprinkle my wall surface with a little flour. Then transfer the dough on it and knead it for about 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth. I use my hand to roll the dough a little. Then I cut it into 5 equal sizes.
For all to see. Then switch it up and treat me right.
Take 1 portion of the dough and roll it out into a thin sheet.
You promised sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me.
Then cut it into a square shape. If you've watched this video to this stage and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button.
The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough. Please let me be.
So repeat the same step for the remaining dough. So after that, heat enough oil in your pan. Carefully place your cracker in it and fry until golden brown and crispy. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so now and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.